YouTube, what's going on? I need to make this video, and it might be short and sweet. We'll see. I got a bunch of pictures to follow up. Basically, the video is about plaster dipping the wheels on the Centennial Vette, the 2012. You see, I chose the Copper Metallizer plaster dip. I bought the the full wheel kit from DipYourCar.com. It came with a cleaning spray to prep the wheels up. It came with a dip release, which I actually didn't use. There are different methods of dipping your wheels. I actually taped off the wheels you'll see in the pictures following this. I also taped off the valve stems. I took out the center caps. I raised up the car. I took off all the wheels. That way you can see my lug nuts are not dipped. Some people just dip the whole wheel, throw a bag around the rotor. I really didn't think that was going to fit what I wanted to do here. So I'm going to show you in the next few pictures basically step by step what I did. I'm just going to throw some audio on there. You guys can throw questions in the comments section and I'll answer them. I've just been so busy that I haven't been able to really make a detailed video, but I think basically you'll be able to get the gist of exactly what I did. The one tip I do want to give you guys when you're doing any sort of dip, and it's because it's thicker than the spray paint. When I did one of the coats, you'll actually see in one of the photos there's a texture in the dip when I sprayed it, and all I did to prevent that in the subsequent coats. By the way, there are 4 coats of flat black over my black wheels and then 3 coats of Copper Metallizer. I sprayed them on in very wet coats, but going back to that, I heated up the cans in a bowl of hot water. I basically just ran my tap as hot as it could go. Got a bowl large enough for the spray can to fit in. I'll show you a picture of that coming up. And then let the can warm up for about 20 minutes before I sprayed. And it went on so much smoother. You know, as far as any other little tips and tricks, I don't really think. Basically warm up the can. I taped off the stuff. I'll show you. You'll see in the pictures. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. It's a very unique look, I think. Let me know what you guys think of the look. I like the plaster dip idea because I can peel it off and maybe change it, maybe go with a gold. You know, this came out a little bit, I think I like it. You know, it's a little darker, gives it a little bronzy look to it, and it's really flashy. I'll tell you, I get so many looks and thumbs up on the highway and going to the shows and stuff now that I'm really happy with the way it came out, especially with the tire stickers as well. But anyway, here goes nothing. Check it out.